Metals traded bearish, specifically silver, has shown strong bearishness along with the global sentiments we have seen across instruments, be it the indices, be it the commodities, or in fact the crypto as well, and then recovered modestly as well with the US indices and the US session. So now what to expect today with gold and silver, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit today, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Can we expect a complete recovery? Can we expect a stronger rise today? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and a drop? What is going to be our strategy? Let's see. First gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver. Watch. Now, if you look at gold on the hourly charts, just draw this, you can find out it is largely staying in this channel. The high is now at around 2420 and 2420, it was a support. Now it is going to be a good resistance, 2420, 2422 zone. What is happening here? You can see the bullishness was diminished, yet it is trading in this channel here, delivering higher lows and higher highs. Moving average is crossing over here and here. This is simple moving average, this is exponential one. So till 2440, this is not to be treated for a reversal. Only about 2440 you can say now gold has turned till 2440. Possibly it may show a rise here. We can look forward to 2420, 2422 zone as the first target, 2432 as the next targets as well. Stochastic has dropped a bit, but look at the MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards. RSI is looking upwards as well. Signs of little bullishness here. On the 2-hour charts, if now see, yesterday also I have shown that there is a bearish crossover here in the 2-hour charts, and this crossover is happening also after a bit of time. You can see this was the last crossover. Since then it has traded bullish. Now after the crossover we have seen it trading bearish. What has happened here? What you can see, the drop, retracement. So it is trying to trade in this channel. How far it can retrace? As I've said, that as long as 2440 is not taken today, we should not be treating this for a reversal here. See, now this zone is going to be critical here till 2420, 2424 zone, and then 2430, 32 zone. Very strong resistance exists here. If you look at the 2-hour charts here, higher lows are seen, and if gold breaks first the 2404, 2400 levels, you can say more bearishness will, and then we can treat this for a reversal on the sell side. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards. The MACD has traded bearish here. It has tried to converge, but yet not yet crossed over. The RSI is almost staying flat here. On the 3-hour charts, if you look, see on the 3-hour charts, these three candles are important, and then this breakout is seen here. Precedingly, diminishing bullishness was seen, then a swing candle has appeared. And if you look at the swings here, till 2400 we have to be cautious on the upside, and till 2420, 2425 zone, 2424 zone, we have to be cautious on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still selling, trading on the sell side. RSI is staying flat here. On the 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour charts, diminishing bullishness, then a swing candle has appeared. This could be a reversal candle as well, because see, diminishing bullishness and then a swing candle closing in red. So, but where you should enter, only selling entry I will recommend is at 2404, but then also 2400 should be a very good support. And if and only if you see gold trading below 2400, you can take, you can consider that as bearish move, and then we can look forward to a good drop here on the downside till 2400 levels. At least for now we have to be cautious. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is rising as well. Coming to the day, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See what has happened yesterday. First of all, if you look at the near term, you'll find the moving averages are still layered one over other. This is still on the buy side. If you look at the formation, rise, retracement, lower highs, retracement. Now on the downside, I can see this, it is forming higher lows here. You can see this first drop, second drop, and third drop. It is yet to break below the critical support at 2360 and 2350. These are the critical milestones for gold to break past by in order to turn. And second thing to note here is, see, yesterday's candle posted a very bigger tail and a smaller body, and it is closed at almost at the 20 period moving average, which suggests that it is still having support here, and it is still not willing to drop much. But looking at the formation, see near term formation drop, retracement lower highs or double top you can count, and on the downside the support levels exist. So on the upside here 2440, 2450 are now critical here on the daily basis. These levels are critical. If you look at what has happened today, it has started with a little swings, already formed a trail. The zone here is going to remain critical till 2420 on the upside, and then 2425, 2432, 2440 levels will come into play. So where you should buy, ideally I can recommend you to buy at 2414 levels, but then till 2418, 2422, 2424 you have to be very very cautious and alert till then. Once it stays beyond 2424, a little further bullishness may prevail, which may take the prices towards 2432 30 zone as the first target, and then 2440 levels may appear. Beyond that, it should try to breach beyond 2450 and consider it for a stronger reversal. On the downside, a selling entry now is only below 2404 levels, but then 2400 also nearby support here, 2394.96, then the next support. And if it drops below 2394, we can see it hitting 2384, 78, 60, and then 2350 levels. Below 2350 it is going to turn extremely bearish. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now see silver on the hourly charts, after a reversal it is traded in this modest bullish flag formation it is trying to show. Also it is forming a tail and trying to bounce back, and if you look at the formation, 2710 is the support which it should not break. Only below 2710 you can treat this as bearish. What is happening here? It is after a rise it is retraced and now trying to bounce back. I will wait for 2740 levels to be taken on the upside for it to confirm its movement towards 2760, 2780 zone. Possibility is there that it can in fact move towards $28 levels as well. Stochastic has dropped, MACD rising, RSI rising. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour charts here, higher lows, higher highs swing here, and this candle trying to move back beyond 2740, 2760 zone is where we can see it showing little bullishness. See the divergence of the price from the moving average called for it to converge. Right now the moving averages are trading bearish, and thus I will say silver yet not to be treated bullish as long as now 2850, 2860 is not taken. Till there silver can retrace. The stronger resistance here will be seen now at $28 levels. Stochastic here has dropped. The MACD is trying to converge and crossover for the buys. RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, you can see what has happened. Preceding 4 candles of retracement, and the current candle started on a bearish note, and see it is already looking downwards. Now, unless and until it breaks beyond 2740, and not only this, the forthcoming candles also breaks beyond 2740, we should not be entering into buys here. See, yes, it may continue to retrace towards 2050 period moving averages. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. Coming to 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts, the observation is similar. See, it has formed a flat base, first bullish candle, a swing candle. The second candle might take it further highs towards 2760 levels here, and in fact, it can keep moving a little more higher and can move towards 2780 or $28 levels as well. Stochastic is rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is rising. Coming to on the daily charts, what has happened? It has started on a slight bearish note. It is trying to recover, and see 2760 is again one resistance we have seen earlier in the day itself. It may try to break this for once and can retrace a little towards 2780 or $28 levels. Now look at the daily charts here. You can find out a crossover here. This is certainly a bearish sign. What has happened? Drop, retracement towards 20 period, and again looking downwards. Now yesterday's drop has already created one low, and it is trading in this channel. And that is why I say on the daily basis, as long as 2860 levels are not taken, we have to be careful. We should not be treating this as a reversal. It is just a retracement. Stochastic here has dropped. The MACD also trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. So now considering, very very simple, you can buy here at 2740 levels, expect it to move towards 2760 first resistance. Beyond 2760 we can look forward to 2775, 80, and then 28. Ideally 28 appears achievable, but it is going to be a greater resistance as well, and prices can reverse from those levels. Thus, and yes, on the daily basis, as long as 2860 is not taken, do not treat this for a buying entry. On the downside, a selling entry now is recommended at $27 levels, where you can expect it to turn bearish, where you can expect it to move towards 2675 and 2650 levels at the next targets. Below 2650 is ideally where the bears will be waiting for, where you can expect it to move towards 26 and $25 levels very very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again before the US session update. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. And yes, do join the mentorship batch and signals channel. It will. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.